Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to go over the difference in pronunciation between u, and u. So this video was requested and I'm finally doing it now. So this particular person asked if I could go over the pronunciation of words that have u, in it and words that have u in it, because this combination in Finnish can be a little bit tricky for non-Finnish people to pronounce. So let's start with u. So actually this combination u, already has a meaning to it. So u, means night, night time, night. Nyt ei ole yö. Now it's not night. Yö. Also, as a tip, if you want to practice individual letters, I do have a video going over the entire Finnish alphabet, and I also have a video that specifically goes over and a. So if you're having trouble pronouncing those individual letters, do go check out those videos. Continuing on with words. Of course, we have all the words, the yhdyssana words that combine plus some other word. For example, we could say yöpuku, yöpuku. In this instance means night. Puku means like a suit or an outfit. So yöpuku, night outfit, is pajamas. And yöpuku can mean all sorts of nighties that you wear when you go to bed. So pajamas, nightgown, nightdress, nighties, whatever the English word you may use for this, you can basically use yöpuku for that. Yöpuku. 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 Okay? The next word that has this letter combination is the word lyödä, to hit someone. Lyödä, lyödä. Okay, you don't have to, it doesn't have to be to hit someone, it can be something, you know. Lyödä the table. Lyödä, 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 to hit. Lyödä. Okay, another word with this letter pairing is syödä, to eat. Syödä, syödä, syödä. Syö, syödä, syödä, to eat. Syödä. And then finally, one last example is pyörä, a bike, bicycle. Pyörä, pyörä. Actually, pyörä can also mean a wheel. Pyörän pyörä, a bike's wheel. Pyörä. Bit confusing, right? Pyörän pyörä, a bike's wheel, but there you go, it can mean both. Pyörä. Pyörä, pyörä, pyörä. Okay, so we have the letter combination y and pronounced which means night, and this can be found in words such as yöpuku, lyödä, syödä, ja pyörä. Okay, moving on to this letter combination flipped. So plus u. By itself, it doesn't mean anything. It's just a sound. U. So some words that have this letter combination is, for example, pöytä. 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 Which means a table. A table. Pöytä. Another word that has this is Köysi. 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 A rope. A rope. Köysi. Köysi. Another word which sounds similar is Köyhä. Köyhä. The start of the word is exactly the same. Köyhä. Köyhä means poor. Köyhä. Olen köyhä. I'm poor. Köyhä. 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 Okay? And then finally, one verb that has this is löytää. So to find something. Löytää. 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 To find. So words that have plus sound in it is, for example, pöytä, köysi, köyhä, ja löytää. Alright, I hope this was helpful for some of you that are still struggling with pronunciation a little bit, and thank you for requesting this topic, and I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time.